welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. And so on the last video, y'all probably see he looking real confused.
Where was day 1?
Yesterday was day 1. You gonna catch up.
What you film?
I filmed myself yesterday when I was doing the things.
Oh.
Anyways,
I'm lost.
it's day 2 of Vlogmas.
Oh,
it'll make sense when y'all watching it.
Okay.
Anyways, so last video y'all seen I was doing the thing, and now we're gonna let them open day 1 before we go to the place that we about to go to. So let me sit y'all down.
Hey y'all. Welcome back to the family video.
Welcome back to the family channel, Life with the Clone. Today this is gonna be a perfect day.
Pull your shirt down. And then you chewing in front of it. Like,
It's very sensitive.
Just step back. Just step back.
What?
Step back.
What I know?
So this is our advent calendar for December. I can't tilt it up all the way, so just be, it's real sensitive. But
Watch out, Speed.
step back. So each day, let me make sure the camera can see. So each day, let me flip her. Okay, so each day, y'all will get to open a piece of the calendar. So today is December 1st, so you get to open the first day. So this is day 1.
Don't speed it. No.
Oh, we got we got two necklaces with jingle bells on them.
Yeah, and what does your shirt say? Jingle all the way. So you got to put your jingles on. Cute. And now y'all are going to be cute when y'all go to this next place that we're about to go to.
Is it gonna be fun?
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Ain't I fun? I'm the epitome of fun. Anyways, okay, so that was day 1. And now we'll check back in with y'all once we get to where we're going next. Hold on. Jingles. You ready to see the big man?
Come on, y'all. Come on, Speed.
Say, I don't even know what's happening right now. So we are at Bass Pro Shop, and we're about to see the main man.
You'll eat on song.
Hey y'all. We are here. I don't know what we're doing here. Mommy, I think you want to read my Christmas list because I added a couple more things on there.
Oh, you added some more things on there. We'll see.
I want one of these. I want one of these.
You want one of those? Yay!
Baby doll.
Yeah, okay. You got candy?
Y'all, we got to adopt the candy cane. The candy cane we got to adopt. Yeah, he's supposed to be having.
All right, Junior. Let's go find you a four-wheeler real quick.
Not a four-wheeler. It's the little decorations. Okay, y'all, come on.
They're gonna go to be really big like the rest of the fishes.
What if they get eaten, Daddy? That's what he's gonna do.
You see the fishies?
Oh, there's blackfish in the back. See the blackfish back there, mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a lot of fish back there. Would they sleep or something?
Is that an alligator gar up in there? Up there.
Oh, you can see which ones they are.
Big mouth buffalo.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, there's a big mouth buffalo up in here.
I don't know. Can you find one? Mm-hmm.
Black crab-eye. Where's the black crab-eye? Am I reading? Wow! Wow! Blue catfish. Daddy, any blue catfish up in here?
I don't see no.
Okay, y'all. Where y'all at?
I got stuck in that thing.
Huh?
I got stuck in that thing.
Come on.
Santa tell me.
Oh. Okay, come on.
Y'all gotta go listen to Santa tell me.
Okay. We're ending the night at the movies. And we're going to see Moana 2.
It's gonna be so good.
Yes. We'll let y'all know how it is once we come out.
Oh, Mommy,
They're going to let us walk by. Okay. Yay. Okay, we back, y'all. We back at home. I thought the movie was really, really good. What y'all think? 1 out of 10, what do you give it? 1 through 10. 1 to 10. Whatever.
I give it a 10.
Addison said she gave it a 10, but she talking about she closed her eyes at one part. I don't know what part she closed her eyes on or what for.
It was like when Moana was, not when she was like kind of dead, but I think it was like,
When the sea monsters was attacking them?
yeah. I closed my eyes because I thought somebody was going to get eaten when he fell off the boat.
Oh. Okay. Kyla, what you give it?
I give it. What happened on the table?
Your brother happened.
Kyla, what do you give it?
I give it a 20.
A 20? Okay, Kyla gave it a 20. Okay.
Good.
It was good. All right. Don't know.
Can we watch
No. It's late, and it's time for them to get ready to go to bed because they have school in the morning.
It's 8:56. It's time for y'all to put y'all bonnets on and get in the bed. Y'all got school in the morning.
So we're gonna end day 2 here. If you watched the entire vlog, we appreciate y'all. And come back for day 3 to see what else we'll be doing for Vlogmas. So woo! Okay, don't forget to subscribe. And if y'all seen Moana already, y'all let me know what y'all thought. I definitely liked it. There was this one lady on TikTok that had her own opinions about it. But anyways, we're ending this vlog. Y'all know how I can get to rambling. So anyway, yeah, well, let's talk in the comment section. What y'all think about Moana? Y'all let me know. All right, bye.